What's going on, guys? What's going on? I hope this comes to us Android users one day. Even if some conspiracy theorists say something crazy about it, I still hope it comes to Android. Cause look, anything that's out there, mostly, I'm gonna go for it. Because you can deny yourself all the privileges that a lot of this technical junk that they put to bring you down. You don't use it, and it's gonna go against you anyway. It's your fault. It's gonna go against you anyway, so you might as well use it. Now you can send text messages even without a signal, without a cell signal. That is, users of the iPhone have a handy way to stay connected thanks to the Apple September iOS update. Apple released this update 18 software update in September. Most iPhone models from the past few years can support it. Although they may not have every feature that the latest iPhone model will, or that they're trying to throw it out there so you could go buy a new iPhone. Like, it's the same old phone. Y'all, I used to be that junkie. I used to be him. Every phone come out, I wanted new. Because I started with the Galaxy 1. Then I had to have the 2. I skipped the 3 and went to the 5. It's stuck because it was getting just too much, you know what I'm saying? And they ain't changing much. Back then, it was changing the speeds and all. That was a good thing. But now they just changing cameras. You know what I'm saying? And they put maybe one little insy bitchy thing on there that just, nah. One feature of the iOS 18 update that's available in the US and Canada for users of the iPhone 14 models and newer is the ability to send messages via satellite. Satellites. No Wi-Fi or cellular connection is necessary. You maybe remember the emergency SOS that went down. I did a video on it. I think I was using my phone doing the SOS to see what happens. Can't remember. It's all shady. Apple applies similar technology to create satellite texting, and you don't need to experience an emergency to make use of it. The best part of that, there is no additional charge for it. So how do you use it? Well, good, you came to me. Now I'm going to teach you how to use it. When an iPhone detects that it's out of Wi-Fi or cellular range, it's going to alert you. And it's going to say, it offers satellite-enabled services. And you like, wow, use it. Those services include roadside assistance, Apple Find My feature and messages. The iOS will also provide a screen guidance for users in the message app that directs them toward the nearest available satellite. I wonder what the conspiracy theorists, get on here and tell me what you think that they can be. That they trying to direct you towards the satellite. Trying to put some programming in your head. So, if you want to use this, I think your best option is to put aluminum foil over your head and then go and do it. You know, go use the green type. You don't want them rays going in your head. These are the steps you go through, y'all. Open the settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Then messages. Then you want to touch a satellite connection demo. You ready to roll? It's a glitch. Not a glitch, but a catch. There's one way in which satellite messages are limited. Ain't no fun and games. Only emergency contacts and designated family members can send you messages when your iPhone is using a satellite connection. You can contact anyone, but you, as an iPhone user, have to send the first satellite message for the conversation to connect and allow responses. Do it, y'all. Do what you're gonna do. You can sit up and not live your life by being scared of everything that comes across. Yeah, you gotta look at everything and scrutiny like, For instance, this fly striker. You know they used to have these things. You bought them like this. Straight though. It was real straight. You light your candles. You light whatever you're going to light. And it was still like... pumpkin. You had to do this here. It is so cumbersome. It's like you had to put your arm up like that, or you turn the candle like this. But then they made it so now you just light it like, oh, and you boom, and you ready to roll. But now that's a conspiracy theory that can get on and say, you see how they made that bend? When you bend it like that, it catches radiation and it brings in. Now I heard one today, y'all. Y'all can take this and how you like it too. I was told today that they was trying to distract people back in the day with the lead paint on your houses. When they were saying the kids were eating the lead chips and getting sick. This is what a guy told me today now. He said that they was like, see, they made you remove that lead from your house because now it's gonna have some validity sounding to it. It do. But also it still has its truth in my world, man. Lead ain't good for you, they say. But that lead paint that was on your house blocked radiation. Yeah. Blocked the radiation. I don't think it was enough lead in there to block the radiation. Then you didn't have lead on your windows. You had to go outside so you didn't live in this lead house forever. It's like you was living in a Faraday cage. No. So, no. The lead probably helped screw up the signal, but it did what it wanted to do. So, y'all,